I want to make a video to compare the difference between two counting techniques, permutation and combination. So in permutation, the order is important. In combination, the order is not important. So let's use a basic example to distinguish the difference between them. So the simple example is, so let's say I have 3 people in my family. I want to take a portrait. So for permutation, order is not important. Order is not important. What do I mean? Sorry, order is important. What does that mean? Order is important. That means I want to be a picky person. What do I mean be a picky person? So here is how we do it. So let's say A is my dad, B is my mom, C is myself. So the first picture I have is A, B, and C. So that is one picture, right? So it can be dad, and then me, and then my mom. That is another picture. I am trying to be very picky. I ask them, hey, switch position. Let's take more and more pictures. Let's find out how many pictures we can take if we follow this manner. So dad, me, and my mom. It can be mom, dad, and then me, mom, me, and then dad. So let me go first, and then dad, and then my mom, and then let me go first, my mom, and then my dad. So the total is equals to 6. So I keep switching position to generate more and more outcomes. That's what do I mean by a picky person. Imagine this: you are taking a picture. Hey, this is not enough, that is not good. You want everything, you want all kinds of pictures, so you are being a very picky person. That means order is important. That means you are doing permutation. You want to list out all the possible pictures. What about in a combination? In a combination, we have to do the other way, not a picky person. So don't be picky. What do I mean by this? So back in the permutation, we have total of 6 outcomes, right? But in a combination, here is how we do it. You can only take 1 out of the 6 outcomes. So if this is how you stand, done. Take this picture, and then the picture is done. Now take the picture and then get out. Job done. Or let's say you want CAB, that is fine. So this is 1 outcome. Get this picture and then get out. We are not taking any more pictures. So you stand out in a line. I take a picture for you. Job done. I am not going to allow you to switch position to keep generate pictures. That's what do I mean by don't be a picky person. If ABC is your picture, then that's it. There is no CAB, nothing else. You take 1 picture only. Pick your position. I take 1 picture, you get the picture, and then get out. So that is combination when order is not important. So permutation has more outcomes. Permutation has less outcome. Why? If you look at the formula, permutation is n factorial divided by r factorial. But in combination, so I highlighted the part for you, you also need to take the r factorial minus n minus r quantity factorial in the denominator. So that means when you do combination, you have to take n factorial divided by a bigger denominator. So as a result, you get a smaller quotient. Think about this. Just think about a simple math. Which answer is bigger? 100 divided by 2 versus 100 divided by 2 times 50. Smaller denominator versus bigger denominator. Of course, the 100 divided by 2 is smaller. It's bigger, right? Because 2 is a smaller denominator. So that's why in permutation, if we take care of the order, we get more outcomes. In combination, we do not take care of the order, then we get less outcomes. So that is the easiest comparison that I can think of. If you think my lesson is helpful, please like, subscribe, share the video out for me. I also have many videos in this statistics playlist. Feel free to watch them, share that with your friends. I appreciate your help a lot. Signing out for now. I see you all in the next lesson.